any closer? Can you get any closer?
So today I filmed this makeup look for you guys. It's a really nice smoky eye, kind of golden with a nice nude lip. So if you guys want to see how creatives look, please keep watching. Hey guys, I haven't filmed a YouTube video for so long, so if I'm out of the swing of things, forgive me guys, but let's get started. So I have got my eyebrows on already. My highlighter is popping. Today I used a new highlighter, well not a new one for me, but I've had this before, but recently it's just come back in my life. And this is the MAC Whisper of Gilt highlighter. It is this gorgeous shade right here. It's so fucking pretty, super golden, and it gives the most amazing golden glow. This was limited edition and now it's back in stock permanently. I am going out tonight, so I'm gonna actually wear this makeup out. It's gonna be very long wear. I have to make sure I lay it up really good. If you guys want me to film an updated eyebrow video, because I've been doing my eyebrows a bit differently recently, comment down below, give me a thumbs up on this video so I know you guys want to see that. So let's get started on the eyes. So how I get inspiration is I go through my eyeshadow drawer and I'm like, oh, what is new? What have I not played with yet? What have I not really created a look with yet? And I always manage to find some good stuff in those drawers down there, you know, when you shop your own stash. So the eyeshadow palette that I picked out from my magical drawers is from Tarte, and it's a Tarteist Pro eyeshadow palette. Ooh, and this is what the packaging looks like. It's super nice and gold and fancy, so pretty. So I really like this eyeshadow palette because it has like a ton of matte shades and then it has 4 metallic shades. So I'm going to be playing around with this, going to create like a bit of colour. Smoky eye, I'm just wearing like a plain black dress today, so I feel like I can kind of like go a bit more classic with my makeup but still bring a bit of colour at the same time. Let's try this out on camera. So for me personally, I don't really use eyeshadow bases, but if you guys do struggle with creasing or anything like that, this is the time to apply your eyeshadow base. But we're just going to go straight on in. So we're going to be working from lighter to darker, and I'm going to use my Morphe M505 brush. It's a really nice fluffy round dome shaped brush from Morphe, and I'm going to start off by using this shade first. It's called Bold. It's a really light neutral kind of shade. The Tarte eyeshadows are so pigmented, so a little bit goes a really long way, and it smells like vanilla. So I'm just going to slightly work that onto the crease. Oh my god, I'm actually surprised at how dark that eyeshadow came out because I did not expect it to be that colour. Oh my god, this colour comes out a lot darker than I expected. Like in the eyeshadow pan here, it looks a bit like boring, but on the eyes I like it. Yes. Oh yes, I did want to try this other eyeshadow that I got recently as well, which is from MAC, and it's called Uninterrupted. So when I used to work at MAC, there used to be this shade in the Pro Longwear eyeshadows, which sucked. But the only shade that sold out all the time that so many people loved was this shade called Uninterrupted, and they brought it back in the permanent eyeshadow form. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of like a sicky browny kind of shade. It's like a poo-poo brown, but it's a really nice shade because it's not too warm. It actually has a bit more like a yellow undertone to it. Oh, and it's very pigmented. Yeah, that's MAC and the new updated formulas. I haven't tried a MAC single eyeshadow in so long, so that's probably my first one that I have. I don't have any other ones. All of them are in my eyeshadow palette. I'm just working this right inside the crease. I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of like winging it as I go. I don't ever really try out makeup. I kind of just see how I go, and normally it always looks kind of shit at first, but you just keep going. If in doubt, just add glitter and that'll make it all good, you know. So I'm just working this all into my crease here, and I'm making sure to blend right on the outer corners. So I'm going back and forth between the Tarte palette and then the Uninterrupted shade. When I want to go a bit darker, that's when I tap into Uninterrupted. And then when I want it to be a lighter blend, then I go back in with that Bold shade from the Tarte palette. This is just working up your transition shade so that it blends really nicely into your brow bone. You want to also make sure that it kind of like blends up into your eyebrow really nicely, but you want to leave this top part as light as possible so it lifts your eyebrow. So you want to blend as high as possible because it makes your eyes look more open, but not too high because you want to leave this bit light. So it's like where your brow bone is. Okay, so I'm literally just blending in the crease just with a slightly smaller brush. So this is the Zoeva 228 Luxe crease brush. So it's a bit more like pointy like this. And I'm just going in with a bit of this shade called Edgy. Just right on the tip of the crease here. And then I just kind of like carve out this crease because I want it to be like a really deep socket. And then afterwards I go in with the slightly bigger Morphe brush. And then I just go in with the Uninterrupted shade because I want to keep this bit up here quite like that yellowy kind of orangey, pooey, diarrhea brown shade, you know. That's just what's in style these days. I think it's really nice because it's very different from something like a normal kind of warm brown. Pooey brown is in style. Oh yeah. Kind of reminds me of like the 90s, kind of like those toned down kind of shades, you know. So whenever I want a good blend, I always make sure I go with a slightly smaller blending brush and a bigger blending brush, and they kind of blend each other out, and that's how you get that really seamless blend. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eye and I'll be back. On the eyes, we are going to go in with Glam eyeshadow. It's like this really pretty, I don't know how to say it, it's like goldeny. It's a bit, it reminds me of Patina from MAC. It has a really, really pretty oyster kind of colour. It's golden, and then I'm going to put this on the inner corners here because I want this to be really nice and bright. And then just here I'm going to blend a bit of this ethereal colour, which is a bit more of like a bronzed, on the outer corner, and I want these two shimmery shades to kind of blend together so it gives a really nice ombre effect. I want these shades to blend in really nicely together because sometimes I find shimmers really hard to fade into a lighter colour. So when you do like a slightly darker metallic here on the outer corners, it just helps the lighter colour pop a bit more. Okay, so now that I've got all my shimmer shades on, I'm going to work on my lower lash line, and I'm going to go in with this Wanna Gel Lucky Gel Liner from Ardell Beauty. It's a brand new eyeliner. I've never used it before, and it's just in plain black. It's really cool as well because you like to sharpen it, you just twist it from here. Winner chicken dinner, because I freaking hate sharpening my pencil because I feel like it wastes all my product. So I'm going to put this on my lower lash line, and I'm going to start to really smoke out my lower lash line because I haven't done black in my lower lash line in a long ass time. So hopefully this is creamy. Oh, it is really creamy. Glides on really well. I have been so impressed with Ardell Beauty recently, guys. They've got some cool products for sure. It literally just glided onto my bottom lash line like so easily. So I bring it a little bit low on my lower lash line because I want to kind of blend it out. So I'm just going to use a Zoeva smudger brush. This is the 234 brush. It's like a flat shaded brush. I'm just using the edges to really buff this puppy out. This eyeliner sets quite quickly, so you have to blend quite quick. Okay, so now that I've got my eyeliner on, I'm going to smoke out my bottom lash line. I'm going to use a bit of Smoked and Whimsy together. This is my MAC 228 brush, but you just want to use anything that's a bit more small and precise to get on your lower lashes. You want to make sure you tap off that excess because it's the worst when you get it all over your highlight, you know. You need to keep your highlight popping. So I don't disrupt the eyeliner because I do find this eyeliner kind of crumbles a little bit if you blend it too much. So I'm just kind of like tapping it on top. And then I'm going to go in with my eyeshadow brush if I can freaking find it. I'm going to go with my big blending brush and go in with that Whimsy shade just by itself and just blend out that lower lash line. Okay, so I just blended out my bottom lash line, and now we're going to work on the top lash line because I want to make it really nice and smoky. So I'm going to go in with this Shady Set the Tone eyeliner from Dose of Colours, and I'm going to use an angled brush today from Zoeva. This is the 317 brush. So I've been trying to get back into kind of gel eyeliners because I feel like when you use this kind of formula to do like more smoky eyes, it kind of works a bit better and blends out a bit nicer when you put the black eyeshadow on top. So I'm just kind of like going back and forth, and I want to try to make it as sharp as possible. So whenever I pick up more eyeliner, I just literally put all my brush in and then I go on the edges to make sure there's no clumps on the brush. Because if there's clumps, girl, that's when you get the freaking horrible jig-jaggedy lines on your eyeliner. I do my wing first, and then I kind of like close one eye. I'm looking down into the mirror, not straight like this. I'm looking down, so my eyes are really nice and stretched out. Okay, and then after I'm going to go in on my inner corners, and then I just want to get as close to the lash line as possible. So I just do like short little dabs, little strokes like dot to dot along my lash line. So now that I've got my eyeliner on, what I do next is I use my Zoeva 234 brush I used earlier. And I'm just going in with Punk, which is a black eyeshadow. So on top of that, I just literally press the black eyeshadow right on top of that eyeliner, so it gets more of that smoky kind of finish to it. The more black eyeshadow you put on top of it, the smokier it gets. And you can go a bit higher with it as well if you want it really, really smoky. And then on top of that, if you want to make it even darker, I go back in with the eyeliner and I do layers of it. So I'll make sure it's really, really dark. It's all literally about layering up. So I'll put a bit more eyeliner, blend it out more eyeshadow to get it really nice and smoky and dark. And then I'll just literally apply mascara and then lashes, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I just put on my lashes. I haven't worn these lashes in so long. They are a brand new pair and it's from Lilly Lashes and it's in the style Carmel. Carmel, but it's really nice because it kind of like extends on the outer corner, so it kind of makes your eyes look really nice and elongated, especially when you kind of wing out your eyeliner. It's really, really flattering. On my lips, I'm just gonna go for like a really, really nude lip, like shock horror. I am actually going out today, so I want to wear something I'm actually going to wear out. So let me see what colour I should wear. Okay, so here is all of my liquid lipsticks that I'm using currently at the moment, and I want to go for something really nudie. Okay, so I'm actually going to use this brand new nude that I just got from NARS. It's called Get It On. Let's get it on. This is what the shade looks like. It's a really nice light nude kind of peachy colour shade. The wand of this is amazing. It's so nice and like firm, so it gets a really nice sharp edge. Might be my new favourite shade. Hot damn. Oh my god, this formula is freaking awesome. It's so pigmented. This might be my new liquid lipstick, guys. My new fave. Okay, so now I'm just going to add a Dewy Spritz Mist. This is from Ciate, and you have to shake it to activate it. So at first it comes clear like this. You guys see it's got like this powder in here. Then you shake it up. And look at it, guys. It has like loads of like jewel bits in there. It goes like purple and pink and blue. It's so pretty. Ooh, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly do my hair and then I'll be back. Alright guys, so that's it from me. I literally just curled my hair with a straightener and I'm going to head out now. But if you guys liked how this makeup look turned out, please give me a thumbs up and also make sure you subscribe before you leave. Also make sure you follow me on all my other social media platforms. It's just Thuy on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys, enjoy the bloopers. My nail stuff is downstairs. It's so annoying. Please excuse me, there's a dog in the room heaving right about now. Bruiser, be quiet! Kick him out, babe.
Okay, Bruiser, you have to go outside now.
Look, you ruined it for yourself. Okay, so on... Okay, we're not going to use that brush. No! I just got all my fucking eyeliners for fuck's sake, man. Ain't nobody got no time for this. I'm in a rush. I wish I could just have someone just there on standby picking up after me. Wouldn't that be freaking fantastic?